नाम श्रवण करिले समस्त जगतेर पवित्रतार उदय है। Simply by hearing the name Nityananda, all the people in the whole universe will become purified. पवित्र हो जाएंगे, सब पवित्र हो जाएंगे. Everyone will become pure. Even Gauranga is doing parikrama of Nityananda. He is chanting. He says, "Name Nityananda tumi, Rupe Nityananda." Your name is Nityananda. Your form is Nityananda. Your leela is Nityananda. Your cheshta is Nityananda. Your associates are Nityananda. Everything is Nityananda. तो संसारे नित्यानंद नाम श्रवण करिले जे वणिक अधम मूर्ख पापी तापी सकल जीवेर भगवत भक्त हय और ब्रह्मज्ञ हय. All the people, fallen people, sinful people, atheistic people, agnostic people, they all will become devotees by hearing the name Nityananda. When Gauranga came here, he started glorifying. He said, there is one verse, Nityananda नाम जारो करण पथि जाय, अवश्य सेई जनो कृष्ण चंद्र पाय. Anyone who hears the name Nityananda once, just once, if you hear the name Nityananda, Krishna will come running to you. Avashya सेई जन कृष्ण चंद्र पाय. And if you don't chant Nityananda's name, you cannot get Radha Krishna. Because Balaram is the Adi Guru. Without Guru, how we can get God? We cannot get God without Guru. So Nityananda Balaram is the Akhanda Guru Tattva, the Samashti Guru, the Guru of all the souls. He is the Jagat Guru. So Gauranga is glorifying Nityananda. Your bhakti, oh Nityananda, I have been waiting 19 years to see your form, your bhakti. Thank you for coming to Mayapur. When they came inside, Gauranga associates, Nityananda was hiding. So Nityananda came outside and both the Prabhus were staring at each other like statues. They were statues. They were talking with the eyes. आंखों से बोल रहे थे दोनों भाई, क्योंकि 5000 साल के बाद मिले कृष्ण बलराम वृंदावन में. उसके बाद यहां उनका मिलन हुआ 4500 साल के बाद. 4500 years they are again meeting here. You can imagine how great this place is. Krishna and Balaram are meeting here and both are looking at each other. Nobody can understand. दोनों भाव कोई बुझते पारे ना. Nobody can understand the bhav in their divine bodies. So ultimately everybody is looking what is happening. Ram, Lakshmana, Krishna, Balaram, Nitai, Gaur. Who is this person? The devotees coming with Gauranga, they did not know who is this person because Mahaprabhu had not introduced. So Mahaprabhu looked at Srivas Thakur and said, you sing the verse from Bhagavatam. Karhapiram natavarapu karnikaram. Krishna and Balaram are going for Gochar Leela. They are going Godhuli, evening time, and gopis are singing that Leela. This is Krishna Leela, that is Gauranga Leela. There are two prakoshta. In Golok Dham में भी 2 भाग हैं. There are 2 compartments in Golok Dham. One is Krishna Leela and one is Gauranga Leela. So who wants to go in both the Leelas? दोनों लीला में कौन जाना चाहता है? If you get 2, why will you take 1? अगर आपको दोनों मिल रहा है, एक हलवा और एक मिश्री, दोनों मिल रहा है तो आप एक क्यों लेंगे? दोनों ही चाहिए आप। इसीलिए दो लीला है गोलोक धाम। सुखदेव गोस्वामी ने भागवत, श्रीमद् भागवत ही स्पोकन, and then Shuta Goswami spoke in Naimisharanya, Ananda Ghat in Haridwar, Sanat Kumar they spoke Bhagavad, and here tomorrow we will go to Madhyadweep where Saunak Rishi spoke Chaitanya Bhagavat, Gaur Leela. So Srimad Bhagavat and Chaitanya Bhagavat, both Leela are there. आपको हर अपने घर में दुबई में रह के सुबह चैतन्य भागवत पढ़ना चाहिए और शाम को श्रीमद् भागवत पढ़ना चाहिए। सुबह आपको गौर का लीला, निताई गौर का, और शाम को कृष्ण का लीला सुनते सुनते नींद आ जाए। You will have dreams about Krishna. So both the leelas are important. Because Gauranga Leela, by coming to Navadvip, you will get Vrindavan. जे नवद्वीप सेवा करे वृंदावन स्पुरे, जे नवद्वीप नवद्वीप सेवा करे वृंदावन स्पुरे, नवद्वीप सेवा बिना वृंदावन धुरे। So by coming to Navadvip, you get Vrindavan. By thinking of Gaur Leela, you get Krishna Leela. You can enter into Krishna. So, Nitai Gaur, when Srivas Thakur started singing that verse, Nityanand Prabhu remembered his Balaram form, his Leela with Krishna as Balaram, and Nityanand Prabhu started jumping in the sky. Hey Krishna, Krishna. He fell down on the ground like earthquake. earthquake हो गया, भूकंप हो गया इधर। नित्यानंद प्रभु आकाश में छलांग लगा के नीचे गिर गए। इतना शरीर पे भाव आ गया। सब भक्त बोलते यही भाव तो हमें कभी देखी भी ना, ये कौन आज ये महापुरुष, ऐसा भाव तो हमने कभी नहीं देखा। We never seen this भाव. Who is this personality? Then Gauranga Mahaprabhu went and he took Nityananda in his lap. Nityananda Prabhu behosh ho gaya. He fainted. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu took Nityananda in his lap. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu is petting him nicely. Same Leela of Ram and Lakshman in the battle when Lakshman got Indrajit weapon. Then Ram put Lakshman on the lap. And Ram was asking Sanjeevani to come. Lakshman was in the lap of Lord Ram. Same Leela happened here. Gauranga is taking Nityananda on the lap. Normally Nityananda is the Vahan, Garuda. Nityananda is the Paduka. Nityananda is the Ananta Shesha. Nityananda is the Chamara. Nityananda is the Abhushana. Nityananda is the Murli. Nityananda is the Yagyopavit. Everything. Balaram, Nityananda Balaram is the everything. Sandhini Shakti of Krishna. But here ulta ho gaya. Here Krishna is serving Nityananda. Gauranga is serving Nityananda. He is putting him on his lap. He is crying. बोले ओ नित्यानंद बलराम तुम्हारा जय देखिले तारो कृष्ण भक्ति हुए तुम्हारा भक्ति जय तिलार देख द्वेष करे शी आमार परम भक्त किंतु आमार नहे Gauranga said if somebody is envious of you oh Nityananda even little he may be my greatest devotee but he is not my devotee. So आदि मुर्गी को कभी मत कीजिए आदि मुर्गी देखिए इस इन द हैंड दुबई में हैन है क्लास में तो आपने स्टोरी सुना होगा. You must have heard the hind was giving golden egg from the back side, and this fowler was feeding the grains from the front side. So the fowler said, "Why I have to spend money to give the grains back side से तो golden egg आ रही है. I want only the back side." When he cut the hand, then what happened? Golden egg stopped. So never accept one brother and reject the other brother. If you accept Gauranga and you don't have faith in Nityananda, then better you don't have faith in both. एक ना माने आर माने तारो मोती भंड. दुई भाईरो एक समान मानता होवे. जे कृष्ण रे माने बलदेव रे ना माने, जे बलदेव रे माने कृष्ण रे ना माने, सेई तो पाखंड पाषंड. दुई भाई बजो बजो भाई चैतन्य निताई सुदृढ़ विश्वास कोरी. এই ভবসাগরে এমন দয়াল না দেখি ত্রিভুবনী. পশু পাখি জুড়ে পাষাণ বিদরে শুনি যার গুণ গাথা. আপন করম ভুঞ্জায় শোন সে পদে না হইল আশা. Have faith in Nitai Gaur. Nitai Gaur में विश्वास कीजिए. And this is the meeting place. And after that there was a lot of dancing. And after staying here, Nityanand Prabhu went and stayed in the house of Srivas Thakur, where Malini used to feed Nityananda Prabhu like a small child. Malini becoming the nurse of Krishna Balaram. She used to feed Nityananda also. So they have made the house here, Ishodhyan, Nandanacharya. Even Advaita Acharya stayed here when he came for doing the 16 kinds of pujas to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He said, "Let the Lord find me." And the Lord sent Ramai Pandit to call Advaita Acharya. So everybody's secret place. This Nandanacharya Bhavan is the secret place, Gupta place. If you want to find Nityananda, you have to come here. If you want to lose Nityananda, then you have to go back to Dubai. But now Dubai is Dubai. Now दुबई में आपके साथ निताई गौर भी आ रहे हैं. तो अभी आप दुबई जाने से भूलेंगे नहीं. Because every Sunday आप जाएंगे घर में तो निताई गौर ना जाएंगे. Every Sunday you will have darshan. Then you will remember Navdeep Dham, Mayapur Dham. So mentally we should always stay here. Physically we may stay anywhere, no problem. मानसिक रूपे के वास. तो निताई गौर मिलन स्थान राधा विनोद बिहारी. This place is the Madhya Leela Radha Kund. Sham Kund also manifested here. Bhakti Vinod Thakur describes in Navdeep Bhav Taranga that this place is a place where he says, "I offer my obeisances to anyone who understands that within the material world there is no higher place than Ishodhyan. All glories to Gauranga's forest here, which is shining like the golden tilak, covered with white garments of the Ganga waters, splendid with blossoming champak flowers, filled with various rasas, and saturated with the sweetest nectar of Krishna Prem, which is forever relished by the beloved son of Jagannath Mishra." By seeing the beauty of Ishodhyan, I will always remember Radha Kund. May this eternally visible in my eyes, amid the huge trees and the dense vines, and the various types of birds are singing the glories of Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga.